Alright, do your thing. Alright, you're good. Good, good, good. That's perfect. That's perfect. Perfect parking. Perfect parlin parking. You're good. You ready for your exam? Okay, I'm not tell you what to do now. You do your thing. You're good. Taking your child to motor vehicle on a Sunday to get them ready for their exam. So I took my son. We were out here for about 2 hours doing parallel parking, reverse, and the things them that they don't catch on very well. Hey! Oh my gosh. You're this close. All right. Yeah, you almost hit it. Here we go. So we're in back up, Chef. Up. All right. Back up. Yeah, go down a little more. Yeah, put in your lock. Good. A little more. Put it in a little more. All right, you're good. Here we go, Chef. Parlin Park. All right. Not so good. Okay. Come back out. So guys, this is Wayne Motor Vehicle, and I take my son there 2018 March to do parallel parking because, you know, he was doing his driving classes once a week, like for 40 minutes, and for about 5 weeks, I think he did 5 lessons. But the parallel parking was a little struggle for him, so I took him where he was going to do the exam because motor vehicle does not open on a Sunday. So the best time to take your partner, your child, or your girlfriend to motor vehicle where they're gonna do the exam is on a Sunday because it's empty. My kids came here 2016, and I pushed them to be independent, like to get their driver's license, do what they have to do, get an education for them to be a better. The world is depending on them to do good. So I just want to push my kids to be a better version of me. I learned to drive when I was 39, and I don't want that to be, I don't want them to be restricted. So I push them. But he also give the car a brute lick on one of these yellow thing and it stripped it off. But he did pretty well. I'm super proud of him. Congratulations, son. You're well on your way. So I am so proud of him. So now he's ready for his exam because I was here with him for a couple of minutes. And as you can see, a few of the video before, they didn't take well. But I just want to save this video because sometimes you lose the pictures from your phone and your videos, and this in there from 2018. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Bye.